and welcome back to my channel. So I just got up. It's 10 o'clock right now और breakfast time इनका 10:30 तक है. तो मम्मा पापा already are there. वो लोग जल्दी उठ जाते हैं तो वो लोग चले गए थे टाइम से breakfast करने and enjoying the view then. और मैं अब जा रही हूँ.
It's raining cats and dogs. I mean, it's such a beautiful view. But the only drawback here is कि आज जो हमारा प्लान था, जो हमने आइटनरी प्लान करी थी, उस हिसाब से हम आई डोंट नो कब निकल पाएंगे अब होटल से बाहर. वी हैव टू स्टे बैक.
Hi मम्मा, good morning.
Good morning.
आपने खा लिया breakfast?
I had it.
What did you have in breakfast?
I had puri aloo and paratha and little bit of dosa with papa.
This is the breakfast area, right?
Yeah, and this is a live tea counter
Okay.
where we got made our own choice of tea.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great.
Abhi to it's really reduced. Otherwise, like since morning, it has been raining like cats and dogs.
Huh? What time did you get up?
I think we got it at 6 o'clock only.
This is their lavish breakfast setup, the buffet breakfast setup, and it is just simply amazing. मतलब देख के खुश हो जाती हूँ मैं तो. Of course, it is not possible for a human to have everything, each and everything what is presented, but it is just simply amazing to have such a lavish spread of breakfast. तो I'm very excited to have. ये खाऊंगी मैं आलू पूरी तो ज़रूर. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है अब. So I'm just grabbing the plate now. This is their breakfast area, but I guess I'll have to wait because there is no space at all. No table is vacant. So finally I managed to get a vacant table. This is all what I'm having. Some idli, sambar, dosa, muffin, seeds and omelette बोला मैंने. Also kudos to this person who's playing the flute. This is surely making the area so peaceful and so nice.
Guys, look who joined us for breakfast. Jiju, good morning. जीजू आप कैसे आ गए ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आज? Thanks to
Few moments later.
Anaya, donut. No. Guys, this is actually the outdoor of our breakfast area, the glass house where we had our breakfast. तो ये उसका outdoor है, outside area है और यहाँ से beautiful view है. And if you're coming to stay, I would really recommend this property to you क्योंकि काफ़ी ही ज़्यादा beautiful property है on hills, on mountains. थोड़ी mall road से far है. 9 AM to 9 PM they also provide cabs. So in case you want to go to the mall road, so you can take those cabs, you can get it booked. That is not chargeable, that's free of cost. So guys, अभी हम breakfast करके आए थे और अब हमने rest किया थोड़ा and now we are planning to get ready and go to the mall road. So guys, अभी मैं बाहर आई हूँ and this is their lobby area. Anaya was crying तो हम बाहर आए थे. This is their a little conference setup kind of a room. So in case you want to host some office gatherings, you can also have your off-sites here.
Few moments later.
Hi guys, so I just got ready. This is what I'm wearing. Jacket is from Styleka, tank top is from H&M. Then I'm wearing a jeans that is from Myntra. My socks are from Zudio. My shoes are Aldo. And my earrings are from Just Little Things. Yes. So yeah, this is my OOTD. Guys, so I just came downstairs for shooting a reel. और क्या weather हो रहा है, it's just amazing. Just look here. But guys, the only disadvantage is that कि अभी हमने plan किया था कि हम boating जाएंगे, but due to rain, it's not. I don't know if it's happening or not, but it's a little risky. तो we have dropped the plan as of now. तो हम plan कर रहे हैं. देखते हैं अगर बारिश रुक गई तो फिर we might go and do boating. If not, तो we will be enjoying our property. Guys, मैं भी बड़ी खुश से हो रही हूँ because I shot 2 reels. तो मैंने बहुत सारी photos भी खिंचवाई. तो I think मेरे आने का motive जो है वो पूरा हो गया because I love getting clicked. तो photos अच्छी आ जाए तो I think हो गया, मज़ा आ गया.
Few moments later.
Did you like it? Oh. Look, it's raining outside. Anaya, look outside now, isn't it?
Now you turn again. It's
Look outside, Anaya. It's raining. Anaya, it's raining cats and dogs. Bolo? Bolo na bete. Anaya.
Anaya. Anaya.
चला बर्प कर लो पहले अनाया.
Anaya.
अनाया. बर्प करो पहले.
Hi guys, so I changed my denim because while I was getting burp done for Anaya, मेरी थोड़ी सी denim jacket जो है वो ख़राब हो गई थी. तो thankfully हम गर्ल्स की आदत होती है थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा क्लोथ्स उठाने की, तो इसलिए वो काम आ गए. तो मैं लिपस्टिक बस लगा ली है वापस. Guys, now we are leaving for Mall Road finally. So yeah, stay tuned for the next part of it. Chalo, we are finally leaving.
Yes. Oh my god.
Look here, everybody. Anaya, look here. Oh, she's so sleepy. Anaya. Oh my cutie. Guys, we just came downstairs and we were about to leave, but इतनी ज़्यादा तेज़ हो गई है बारिश that everybody is recommending not to go anywhere right now. अब हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम यहीं के रेस्टोरेंट में we are having our lunch. Guys, मैं पापा की फ़ोटो खींच रही हूँ. हो गई.
This is how our lunch looks like today. Some pakode because of course the weather demands it, and then pasta.
Few moments later.
Just left for Mall Road. Finally reached the Mall Road. पापा और जीजू आगे जा रहे हैं और ये रहे मम्मा एंड साइबा एंड अनाया. Finally we have come to the Mall Road. सुबह से प्लान कर करके. चलो बाय. So guys, अब हम बोटिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं. The most adventurous people in the family are going. Are you having fun?
Lots.
बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. The view and the weather is also so good. But I just wish कि बारिश ना हो.
Yeah.
So मम्मा आप कितने टाइम बाद आए हो यहाँ पे नैनीताल? I think more than 20.
No, around
15
20.
years. Around
More
20.
than 15 years.
More than 15 years बाद आए हो. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? How have things changed?
Nothing has changed.
Oh, yeah, actually, the route, the roads, everything is still the same.
And even the water is as dirty as it used to be. But still we are enjoying the boat ride.
Yes, it's fun. The weather
Because
is beautiful.
Yeah.
Because
we always see the good things.
yes, we should focus on good things. And our India is so beautiful. What a- Mama, say hi.
Hi.
भैया आपका क्या नाम है?
Anand Singh Rotila.
आप कितने टाइम से हो यहाँ पे? हाँ, कितने टाइम से बोटिंग करा रहे हो? 2007 से. Charges were guys 320 for 2 people for a personal boat, and it's just for one round. It's I think just for 15 minutes. एक पॉइंट है वो टच करके आते हैं, एक ड्रम टच करके आते हैं, that's it, and they charge you 320 rupees, which is decent. Now we are at the most recommended cafe of Nainital for some evening snacks.
भैया सूप तो सही होगा।
अनाया, आप सब इतना खा रहे हो। Guys, I must say जो recommendation मिली थी that was absolutely worth it. The food, the ambience, everything. बस थोड़ा congested है, a little less of space, but the food, drinks, everything was 10 on 10. It is absolutely recommended and purely worth it to come here and try their food once. Naya, Nona. Nona, you enjoying? Nona. This is the cafe from the outside, Cafe Lakeside Inn. यहाँ पे Indian, Chinese, Italian, Continental सारे cuisines मिलते हैं. This is on the main mall road and as the name suggests, lake के बिल्कुल opposite है ये, तो amazing view.
Few moments later.
Anaya, my cutie. It's dinner time and this is all what we are having. Shahi paneer, dal makhani, butter chicken and मेरा favorite मिर्ची पराठा. आज भी हमने in room dining ही opt किया because we were very tired अभी mall road से आके, so that's the reason. Guys, it's 12 AM now and while we were away, while we were going to the mall road, हम बोल के गए थे कि हमें decor चाहिए because it's Jiju's birthday tomorrow and this is what they have done. Jiju, happy birthday!
सोनी मुंजी का बर्थडे है ना, मेरी नोना। थैंक यू गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, थैंक यू। जय नाया, जय माता दी। पापा का आपको जल्दी बहुत बहुत मुबारक है, और भी मुबारक है।
अनाया,
राम राम भैया, क्या है?
चलो नीचे चले to cut the cake now.
नाया का बर्थडे।
Happy birthday to you.
नाया, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू आवर बिलवड बेटा तो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू डियर अतुल। अनाया, गॉड ब्लेस अतुल साहिबा अनाया विद ऑल हैप्पीनेस।
ये बाइट है, ये मम्मा पापा साक्षी सायशा सबकी तरफ से।
God bless you, my son.
Anaya, hi cutie. You happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. क्या प्लान है अब आपके कल के?
कैंची धाम।
Religious birthday.